So you want to form a UK LLP but you don't live in the United Kingdom. Maybe you've been trying to figure out how to do this but you're not 100% sure where to start. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to register a UK LLP as a non-resident completely online step by step. So by the end you have a fully registered UK Limited Liability Partnership with all the official documents you need. And just to be clear, this is 100% legal. You don't need to live in the UK to do this, and the entire process can be done from anywhere in the world. It usually takes about 24 hours to 48 hours once you submit everything. A UK LLP is a flexible business structure that works well for people living in low tax countries like the UAE, since LLPs on their own aren't taxed. It's often used by people who want a legitimate UK entity for payment providers, banking, or international business activity without needing to live in the UK. So let's jump into it. Before we start the actual formation process, let's quickly go over what you need to know about UK LLPs. First, you need a minimum of 2 members at all times. These can be individuals or companies and they don't need to be UK residents. Now, if you live in countries like the UAE or Cyprus, you can also make your local UAE or Cyprus company a member of the LLP and yourself. This way you still have 2 different entities as members of the company. You'll also need a UK registered office address. This is mandatory and needs to be a physical address in the UK where official documents can be delivered. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to get this even if you're abroad. Now in the UK it's easiest to form a company with a formation agent. They help you with all the paperwork and also provide you with a business address, which is mandatory. For this tutorial I'm gonna use First Formations. They're one of the most established formation agents in the UK and have a package specifically designed for LLPs. For First Formations, you can find the link in the description below, or you can type in buyhustle.com/firstformations. From here you can then see the homepage where you can first fill in your preferred name for the company. You can also see that they assist with opening several bank accounts, even as a non-resident. So from here, I'll fill in a name that I want, and I'm gonna do Studio Hassel, and then click search. So we can see the name is available, so we click choose package. And from here we can see we have a couple of options. Just a limited company, a non-resident package, and one for an LLP. So here we want to go to LLP because the non-resident package is only for limited liability companies and we want the limited liability partnership. You can see that this package starts at £125 and here we can see all the details. Basically, they handle the registration with the company's house for you, make the agreement and make sure that you receive all the statutory documents necessary for operating the company. So from here we can basically click on buy now. Now here are a few more things we need since we are a non-resident. First of all, we need a registered office address, which is an address in Covent Garden, and that's £40 extra per year. Also, you want to select the service address right here. This means we're going to use the agent address as the official correspondence address on the public record, because when someone looks up our company in the UK register, they will not see our private addresses. Now additionally, you can add the business address service right here as well, but it's not mandatory. This is only for improving your image, so basically adding prestige. Now for all the other options right here, they are not required, so now you can simply go ahead and add these and make the payment. Once that's done, First Formations will reach out to you so you can fill in the members of your LLP, which can be you and your partner or you and your existing company. They'll assist with that as well. They will also require KYC, so be prepared to send a copy of your passport, and they might ask a few additional questions about the nature of your business. Once everything is approved, they'll send the application to company's house and within 24 hours your company will be registered. Then once your LLP is approved, you receive several important documents. First is your certificate of incorporation, which is the official proof that your LLP exists. You'll also receive your company registration number or CRN, a draft LLP agreement, and your statutory register with all the initial entries already completed. You'll receive digital copies of all the documents immediately via email, and printed copies will be sent to your registered office address within 24 hours. Then when your LLP is formed, there are a few things you need to do to get it fully operational. First, you need to register for a unique taxpayer reference or UTR with the HMRC, and these are the tax authorities in the UK. An LLP is UK registered and they treat it as tax transparent but not tax ignored. That means you do not pay taxes on the LLP level, but you must file an annual partnership tax return. The good thing is First Formations helps getting this UTR number for you as well, so you don't get lost in the paperwork. Optionally, you also want to open a UK business bank account for your LLP, as standard traditional banks don't make this very easy, which is why I recommend neobanks like Wise, Revolut or World First. Also, don't forget about your ongoing compliance obligations either. LLPs need to file annual accounts and confirmation statements with the company's house, and designated members are responsible for maintaining statutory registers. The good news is that First Formations offers ongoing services to help with these requirements, so you don't have to worry about missing important deadlines. Alright, so that's the complete process for forming a UK LLP as a non-resident. I left all the links you need in the description below, including the link to First Formations and a video on opening a UK business bank account as a non-resident. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more international business tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.